Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the Stephanie's Journeys family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that. Be sure to click on that all on that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today I have for you how to make your own vanilla extract. I'm going to show you guys how to make it. I made this a while ago, so I'm going to show you how to make it. It's very simple to make, so if you're interested in learning how to make vanilla extract, then stick around and stay tuned. Okay guys, I made this vanilla extract in August, so it's in this jar, and I'm going to put it in one of these little jars so that I can reuse this one. And I got these little jars here from IKEA. I'm going to leave these beans, these older beans, in there. I'm going to let one or two of them go in here. Just so they can keep, you know, doing this thing. So I just took it out of this jar because I'm going to reuse this jar to make it. I left some of the older beans in here, but I put it in here so that I can continue to use it. And I got these jars from IKEA. And I use a cheesecloth. I'm going to cut off and get a new piece to use so I can have that. So I'm just going to take my cheesecloth, and I got these cheesecloth from Amazon, where I get everything. I link everything below. And I got these from IKEA, but I'll look online and see if I can find them on Amazon and link it below for my Amazon affiliate link. But it's very easy to make. Is that too little? No, perfect size. Very easy to make pure vanilla extract. And you could have just, I could have just put all of the rest of them in there, but it's such a small jar, so I'm just gonna leave it. And I got my vanilla my vanilla beans from Amazon too. This is the Native Vanilla brand, and I try to link it. It came with 10 parts. These are expensive, very expensive. Vanilla bean is. But to this little jar, I usually put about 3 of them in there, and I just save the rest. And I'm just gonna leave the old ones in there as well, just to help infuse the flavor. You don't have to take them out. To me it works. And I take these and I cut them up into slices. As you can see there, I cut them up in 3 individual slices. So let me get a knife. I've been making videos, so stuff is dirty up. So you just take the vanilla beans in there, and you can split them if you want to, but that'll allow the beans, if you want the little beans inside, they'll come out once it hydrates, because these are dehydrated. But I just chop up 3, and I just use vodka. That's all you need. It's just really that simple. And I take and pour the vodka. You can use any kind of vodka that you want, any kind that you drink. You can use it. And what I do after that is I use my label printer. And like that, I had 8/20/20. So this, I just put the whole date on there so I know the exact date. And I just pour it in there. And I put this on it because you need to shake it up at least every few days for the first month. Just shake it up and keep it in a cool and dark place. So what I do, I can either put this over top of that one, which I'm probably going to do. I'm not even going to waste my time pulling off the old label. I'm just going to put that one over top of this one, so I know when I made it. And you can make a bunch of batches of these and give it to people as, you know, a Christmas gift or something. Put your name or label on it. You can even sell it if you want to. But I use a lot of vanilla extract, a lot of it, and I prefer it to be pure. And the ones that you buy in the store is usually dark brown because they put some type of coloring in it, and I don't like any of that stuff in mine, to be honest. I buy it. I usually buy it when I go to Mexico though, because this brand right here is the brand that I buy when I go to Mexico, and it's very, very good, and it's not all that expensive as pure vanilla extract is in other stores. So, and instead of buying this, because I haven't been to Mexico, of course, in a while with COVID, I have no more, and this comes in a 3-pack, so it lasts me a good little while. But I put vanilla in everything I cook, even my oatmeal and stuff. So I was like, I just start making my own, which I've done. And you have it in this little bottle, and it's just fine. And this will not last me that long, which is why I needed to start another one. And I say, some people say about a month, but to me, a month wasn't enough flavor. I think I started using it, and it was full up to this, to the top like it is now. And I think when I poured it out, it was probably about right to here. I've been using it because I ran out of the other. But I think I started using it in December. So, which tells you if you're already down to there from December that I do use a lot of it. But that is pretty much it for that, how you make it. You just, you know, I keep it under my sink, and then I just go in every few days when it first starts, and then once a month I might shake it up too. It's not on there good. Look, it's leaking. Try to put it in something that's airtight that closes well. And I probably could have put it in one of these and shake it up, but it's fine. I just keep making it in this same jar. Probably can put it in a mason jar too, but I didn't have that much vodka to put it in a mason jar. Well, I guess I did, but anyhow, you can make it in any jar you want. Mason jar will work well too. If you have enough vodka to make it in that, that's fine. And you can try to make it with other alcohols outside of vodka. I just used to just make mine with vodka. So that is it, guys. So thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, comment below and let me know. Every 4 ounces, I think it is, you use 2 beans. So this is about, I would say, 8 ounces of alcohol. So you would use 4 of them. And since I already had some in there, I just put 3 in there. But that's pretty much what the ratio usually is. But again, you just shake it up. See, it's already got a little tint to it because of the other beans that's in there already had, they've already been hydrated. The new ones just is not. So once again, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.